Hi. I know you've seen PowerPoint presentations. I mean, they're everywhere. But have you ever needed or wanted to create one? This video series will take the fear out of learning PowerPoint and put the fun in. Enjoy. Let's get started. In Lesson 1, Part 1, we cover how to navigate the PowerPoint window, how to create a presentation, how to save a presentation. Let's begin with navigating the interface. Specifically, I'm going to point out these 6 areas on the window. First, the Quick Access toolbar is located in the upper left-hand corner of the window. You can see the PowerPoint icon, the Save icon, then your best friend in the world, the Undo button. If you forget everything else I say, remember this guy and where it is. Notice the 2 methods of organization Microsoft uses here. There are tabs across the top. Then notice the horizontal lines separating the ribbons into groups. Each group contains icons that relate to the group name. For example, in the Slides group, you can see New Slide. When you click on it, a new slide is added to your presentation. See here the other tabs you'll use to create your show and the remaining groups on the Home tab. Now look at the Slide/Outline pane located along the left side of the window. These tabs change the way you view your slides. Here we see them as thumbnails. When you click on the Outline tab, you view only the text on each slide. This is a quick way to edit your slides without scrolling through each one. The slide pane is where the magic happens. You place your text, graphics, and animations here to wow your audiences. The Notes pane is used to type notes about your slides and is directly below the slide pane. Lastly, you'll see the status bar at the very bottom of the window. Now, you need a break. Here's a fun fact. So with 30 million floating around, what's one more? Let's talk about how to create your first presentation. First, open PowerPoint. This is what you see. On this slide, you'll create the title page. Notice the text placeholders here and here. Next, click to add your title. Then you're going to click to add your subtitle, and you've created your first slide. Now click on New Slide in the Slides grouping on the ribbon, and PowerPoint adds a new slide. Note this time that the layout is different. There's a placeholder at the top to add a title to this slide, and there's a content placeholder here. And guess what? It's break time again. Here's another fun fact. This entire presentation contains only 237 words from start to finish. That's about 6 slides with 40 words each. So, which presentation would you rather watch? Our last topic is how to save a presentation. In order to do that, click on the File tab in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. When you do, the window changes and opens the Backstage view. There are quite a few options here, but let's focus on the left side of the window, where you see 2 Save options. Click on Save. And your computer opens a screen that requires you to make some important choices. You need to decide where to save the presentation and what to name it. Let's answer the second question first. Type the name in the file in the text box here. This file is named 3 Rules for Creating Presentations. Now, before you click Save, you have to decide where to save the file on your computer, and it needs to be someplace where you'll remember it. Look at the top of this window and you see the word Computer. That's a root location and not a good choice. The easiest place to go to find a file is the desktop. So let's click there. Notice at the top, the word Computer has now changed to Desktop. Now you're ready to click Save and you're done. Congratulations! You've successfully completed this first introductory lesson. Fun, right? See you next time.